Okay, in today's class, we will be dealing about the hepatic enzymes that are used as a marker of liver health. So we shall write hepatic enzymes as markers. Markers are those things which you can use to diagnose a particular disease or to diagnose the particular condition of a tissue. We have already studied about SGPT in much detail. The second enzyme, which is also a transferase, is known as SGOT. The full form of this is, which is much similar to this SGPT, serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase. Okay. Now we shall be dealing with this SGOT separately. Some other hepatic markers are there. Hepatic markers means these enzymes are present in liver and they do used as a marker of liver health. One more enzyme is alkaline phosphatase. And the one more enzyme, that means there are 4 enzymes. One is SGPT, 2 is SGOT, 3 is alkaline phosphatase, and the 4th one is gamma glutamyl transaminase. Okay, these are the 4 enzymes which are used as hepatic markers. Out of that, many enzymes are transaminase kind of enzyme besides this particular enzyme which is known as alkaline phosphatase. Okay, we will be dealing a lot more things regarding these enzymes. Shall remove this now. Now see, when we talk about the liver, this is the largest organ of the body and largest synthetic organ of the body and is very crucial for human health. SGPT, SGOT both are transaminases and gamma glutamyl transferase is also a kind of transaminase. Alkaline phosphatase enzyme is related to liver as well as bones. That means in liver disease, for example hepatitis, as well as in bones disease, for example Paget's disease, this enzyme is used as a marker. That means what? If alkaline phosphatase level is increased in body or in the serum, it means that there is hepatic damage as well as it could be bone damage as well. Why? Because alkaline phosphatase is an enzyme which is present in liver as well as in bones. Similar is the case of SGOT. This enzyme is present in liver as well as in heart. This kind of enzymes which can present in more than one tissue performing similar activities are known as isoenzymes. Okay. Now we shall do one more discussion regarding liver enzymes only and in general liver health. Gamma glutamyl transferase. Gamma glutamyl transferase is an enzyme which is related to liver disease, more specifically disease of the bile duct. Everyone knows there is just near to the liver there is this thing called gallbladder. Now the gall which is present inside the gallbladder comes into the system through a bile duct. Okay, If there is some abnormality in the bile duct, this particular enzyme, gamma glutamyl transferase, is increased. This is how gamma glutamyl transferase is also used as a liver enzyme marker. Okay. Now there are some non-enzymatic markers as well. Non-enzymatic liver disease markers. For example, cholesterol, which we will study a little bit more in detail. Another is urea. These are the two things which are produced inside the liver. So, if there is any abnormality of liver, what will happen? There will be abnormal levels of cholesterol as well as urea. Therefore, in order to identify the condition of liver, we have to study many things, all the enzymes, as well as we can also use cholesterol and urea as a marker for liver function. Okay, this will be enough for today's class.